Do you feel this? Have you ever found yourself completely frozen? You know what YAHUAH is telling you to do. You can feel the conviction in your Ruah, but a heavier, louder force inside you is screaming, "No, it's not safe. Hide!" You're not backsliding. You're not crazy. You might be in a spiritual civil war. The two armies, naming the voices. Voice number one, the Orphan Ruah, the commander of fear. This is the voice of the wound. Its goal is your survival, not your destiny. It tells you, avoid conflict. Don't risk it. Someone else will handle it. Just be quiet and it will disappear. Voice number two, the Ruah of sonship, the commander of Amunah. This is the voice of the Ruah Ha'Qadash, calling out to the true you. Its goal is your freedom. It says, rise up. You are a son, daughter. You can do this through me. Trust YAHUAH. The war. This isn't a simple choice between right and wrong. It feels impossible because the orphan's voice is the familiar path in your brain. It's a well-worn trench from a lifetime of pain. The Ruah's voice can feel new, scary, and foreign. So you feel stuck in the middle, hearing both, and the friction is exhausting. The path to ceasefire. How the war ends. The war doesn't end by you trying harder. It ends by exhausting the Orphan Ruah's strategies. When hiding stops working, when avoidance creates more pain than the risk of obedience, that's when the Orphan Ruah loses its power. You must come to the point where you are so tired of the internal noise that you finally cry out, Ruah Ha'Qadash, I surrender. I can't fight this on my own. You have to win this war for me. Take over. A prayer for the battlefield. Abba Yahuwah, I come to you in the name of Yahusha. I am in a war inside. I acknowledge the Orphan Ruah of fear that has ruled me. I am exhausted. Right now, I surrender. I choose to align my will with the Ruah of sonship. Ruah Ha'Qadash, fight for me. Speak louder than my fear. Lead me into the freedom and identity you have for me. In Yahusha's mighty name, so be it. If this resonated with you, you are not alone. Take this prayer and use it. Write down what YAHUAH is telling you to do. Even one small step. The way out is through active surrender. Comment below with sonship, not orphanhood. If you're choosing to trust YAHUAH in your war today, continue the work with the other videos on sonship, YAHUAH as Father, the instrumentals, YAHUAH heals the father wound, the mother wound. Speak the affirmations on identity daily. You are a son, a daughter of YAHUAH. Listen to the Heal the Father Wound meditation to process the trauma and confront the roots. The battle is already won by Yahusha, but you have to fight it each day. Shalom, Yasharal, Barak Yahuwah.